Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I will show you how to log into your Skrill account easily. Let's begin. First of all, open your web browser and go to skrill.com and launch the Skrill mobile app on your phone. Next, enter your registered email address and password in the login fields. Make sure the details are correct to avoid any issues. Once you have entered your details, click on the login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or email to complete the process. Now you're inside your account. From here, you can send money, manage your wallet, or check your transaction history. And that's it. Logging into Skrill is quick and easy. Don't forget to log out when using a shared device. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips.